Why not to buy fake followers on Instagram? Hello everyone, welcome back to the GoSo channel. My name's Chris and today I'm going to do a short video on why not to buy fake followers on Instagram. So firstly, Instagram know if you're using fake followers or if you have bought fake followers in the past, and fake followers are only going to damage your account now, and it's only going to hinder your performance on your account and your growth in the future as well. So here is how it is going to affect and damage your account. And first of all, it's going to affect the amount of followers who are going to see your posts. If you've got 10,000 real followers, but you've got 20,000 fake followers, when you make a post, Instagram only show that post to a limited number of your followers. And until your followers interact with that post, either by liking, commenting, or just swiping past on their feed, Instagram won't release your post to the rest of your followers. So if you have so many fake followers on your account, when you do post, your original followers or your organic followers aren't going to be able to see your post. So maybe only 1,000 or 2,000 of your followers are actually going to see the post that you've been posting, and the rest of the real 8,000 followers aren't going to see it. And it's normally around about 20%. So whenever you post, Instagram will show your post to around about 20% of your followers if they don't interact with that post. And I'm not saying all of them, but if a majority of them don't interact with that post or swipe past, the rest of the 8,000 followers are not going to see your post. So it may look good by having more followers on your account, when in reality, your real followers aren't going to be able to see your content as much. So due to the fact that Instagram know that you're using fake followers and they don't want fake followers on their platform, they're going to make it very hard for you to grow. So you're going to find it very difficult to rank on the hashtags and also on the explore page as well. And this is happening even more since the January 2020 update, that a lot of people are trying to rank on the hashtags and also get onto the explore page, but due to the fact they've got maybe 50%, maybe 40% fake followers, they're finding it extremely difficult to rank on there now, because Instagram are really cracking down and stopping as many posts as possible getting onto that famous explore page. So also as well with using fake followers, it can be very obvious that somebody is using fake followers by going onto their account. Because if they've got 100,000 followers, let's say, but they're only getting 200 likes and they're getting 0 comments, it's clear that you've bought fake followers. And also as well, if you're an influencer, you're a business, if somebody goes through the graphs on Social Blade, for example, which is a website that tells you the statistics, you can see clear spikes in their growth, which indicate that they bought fake followers in the past. So anyone going on your profile, know it's fake. So if you are an influencer, it's seriously going to hinder you getting more work in the future. And as a company as well, if you've got certain clients who are actually going to go through and check your statistics, it's very clear and obvious that you are using fake followers and your account is fake. So as I mentioned before, the 2020 January update really attacked profiles with fake followers again. So you might be able to use fake followers and get them on your profile fast and up your followers, but in the long run, it's only going to damage your account. And to be honest, it's better off if you just delete all of them or even start again with a new account, because Instagram are only going to continue to attack these accounts with fake followers and you're never going to grow. So it's so much better to have a smaller account, for example, with 10,000 followers, where all of them are active and real, and engaging on your posts and liking your posts, rather than have an account that has 100,000 followers when you're not getting much engagement at all. And also as well, on a smaller account, as I mentioned before, when you do post, more of your followers are going to see your posts, rather than having 100,000 followers and only 10 of them being real. Most of them 10 aren't actually going to see your posts, so you're just going to be posting for no reason at all, and only maybe 1,000 or 2,000 of your followers are going to be seeing what you're posting. So by buying fake followers, you're just going to waste your money. You may be able to increase your followers very fast, but in the long run, it's going to cost you a lot more money. And the reason for this is because you're not going to be able to grow as naturally as possible. You're not going to be getting on the hashtags. You're not going to be getting on the explore page. And also as well, you know, if you're a business, a brand, or if you're a professional, an influencer, when you're going to be trying to get business in the future, people are going to go on your account, see that it is fake, and you may not get the deal, or you may not close the deal that you wanted to do. So yeah, it might be a fast way to grow followers, but in the long run, you're going to be spending a lot more money on your account. And also there is a possibility that you're going to lose a lot of revenue as well because of this. So another part of it as well is not just the fact of fake followers are bad, also inactive followers is bad as well. So if you've had your profile for many years, a lot of these people who were following you before, they may have lost their passwords, they may now not be using Instagram, and these can be detected as well by Instagram as fake followers as well, because if they haven't logged into their accounts for maybe 6 months or 1 year, this is going to hinder your growth. As I explained before, when you post, around about 20% of your followers see that post. If most of them followers are inactive or fake, you're not going to be able to get your post to the rest of your followers. So I highly recommend you every now and then go through your followers, click in and see if you can see if any of them are either fake or inactive. If they've not posted in maybe a year, get them off the profile, because you'll find the more inactive and fake followers you take off the profile, there are a lot more engagement you're going to start getting on your posts from your real followers, and you're going to be able to rank higher on the hashtags and also the explore page as well. So hopefully you take away from this video that not to buy fake followers on Instagram. But if you have bought fake followers in the past, or someone's bought them for your profile, it isn't game over, don't worry. There are some things that you can do to bring your account back. And first of all, it's to go through the followers every now and then and just delete the fake ones, or just delete some of the ones that are inactive. And also as well, if you're finding that you're not ranking on the explore page anymore, or also the hashtags, growth services will help a lot for you to get on the hashtags, location as well, and also the explore. But also the growth services will help you with your organic followers. As mentioned before, your organic followers, only around about 20% of them are going to see your post when you first post. By using growth services, this will trick the Instagram algorithm to actually expose your post to the rest of your followers. So by using growth services, you're going to have more of your organic followers seeing your posts. You've got a lot higher chance of ranking on the explore page and also the hashtags as well. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. If you haven't been to the GoSo.io website, click the link below and you'll see all the services that we have got. And if you have got fake followers, or you have got them in the past, or if you bought them in the past, send us a message via the website. We will do a scan of your profile. We'll go through and we'll recommend the best packages to start helping you rank on the hashtags and also the explore page, and also get your post out to your organic followers as much as possible.